screwable studs and tire chains. They are quite expensive, and today I'm going to show you how you can stud your ATV tires very cheap. As you can see here, I have already studded the front tires with these here tech screws, and so now I'm going to show you when I do the rear tires. So these tires are actually quite good on snow and ice, but they could be better. So I'm gonna put some studs in the rear tires also. So cue the time lapse. Wait, stop, wait. First we're gonna test it without studs. The screws I'm using, they are, as you can see, they are 25 millimeters long, and that's right about 1 inch, so they're 1 inch long. So let's put them on the rear tires. So now I have studded the tires, and yeah, it's time to test them. But maybe you're thinking, well, Jonas, those studs, they won't sit in the tires. They will fall off. Probably they will fall off eventually, but To buy screw-in studs, you can actually buy screw-in studs. To do that, they're very expensive, and those screws here, they are dirt cheap, and that's why basically why I went through this hassle and cut them up and studded my tires, because they are dirt cheap, and they will sit as long as they sit, and to test if an idea is good or bad is the most fun way to know things. So that didn't go exactly as I have planned it, but I think there was some difference actually. I can notice a real big difference when I put it in four-wheel drive. Then maybe the camera also picked that up, but then it's hauled ass, and yeah, it's slippery outside. Believe me, it's very slippery surface on the road. But the first of all, I think the majority of the weight on this particular machine is in the front, because the engine is from center of the machine. The engine is more to the front of the machine, and I have also the plow in the front, so the rear doesn't have that much pressure, downward pressure, and actually I have only studded um, this lug here, the big lug, and it's every other is a bigger lug, and also on the inside here I have only studded the inside smaller lug. On the front I actually have, yeah, I can show you. On the front I have studded both the smaller outside lug, the inside, the middle lug, and the inside lug. So there are more studs in the front, but yeah, overall it's make a big difference. I think the pushing power when I'm plowing is going to be much better, and as I said earlier, maybe those screws will come off the tires eventually, probably, but the funnest way to know if an idea is good or bad is to test them out in reality. You cannot always Google an answer. So, till next time.